one of these is the original and one is the fake. I'm going to be teaching you how to spot the original from the fake out of this extract soap, because I noticed extract soap is having a lot of demand in the market. A lot of people are really going for this extract soap because it does the job so well when it comes to brightening of the skin. We all know papaya does the job of brightening the skin. That is why even if you have papaya oil, it's going to give you that beautiful glow. Okay, it's going to brighten up your skin. And this extract soap also contains calamacin, which does the job in brightening your skin, brightening dark patches, fading dark patches, and giving your skin a beautiful brightening effect. All right, so now we are going to be spotting these things, okay, these signs on the soap for you to know that it is the fake. All right, now the first thing you're going to look at is the original doesn't have a very high fragrance. The fake has more fragrance than the original. That is one way you can compare between the original and the fake, or that is one way you can know the fake of this soap. I just want this video to be very, very brief. Now, another way you can discover the fake is, look over here, let me show it to you. This soap, okay, this soap over here, it has a deep color, all right, but when it comes to the fake have a lighter shade when it comes to this place. All right, the fake has a lighter shade of yellow or orange, whatever the color is, when it comes to that place. Now, when you look at behind the soap, all right, I'm going to drop in the picture on the screen. Below the name extract, you can see it. There is ingredients over there, all right, but the fake is not like that. Okay, the fake is not written like that. It's not arranged the same way it is on this one. It is not written like that. That is another way you can know that it is the fake. All right, now the third sign for you to know that that is the fake extract soap is the ingredient is not the same with the one on the original pack. It is not the same ingredient written on it. Now, you might be saying, how will I know the ingredient written on the original one? That is why you have to pay close attention to this video, because with my explanation, even when you see the soap anywhere, you'll be able to spot the original from the fake. Okay, now when you spot the original one, okay, you check on the ingredients. Probably if you're buying next time or you want to compare, you see both products and you want to compare, so you can spot the fake. The ingredients on the original is not the same thing that's written on the fake. The fake has some slight changes in the ingredients. All right, now the fourth sign that that extract soap is fake is on the original one, it is written in English and just little Arabic. That is under the ingredients. Just have little Arabic there, and other parts of it is written in English. But the fake one is written with Arabic, all over Arabic. You can't read it. That's one other sign to look out for while spotting the fake from the original. And another sign you can also look out for while spotting the fake and the original. The company name that is on the original is Splash Research Institute. That is what you are going to see on the original one. But on the fake, you're not going to see anything like that on the fake. Okay, now listen to this. This original and fake that I've just spotted for you right now, this fake that I just spotted for you is the Nigerian made. Yes, and this one that I just called the original one, that is the real one. Yes, it is the foreign, which is made in the Philippines. Okay, the original one is made in the Philippines, while the fake one, as ascribed by some people, is the Nigeria made one. Now, does it mean that the Nigeria made one is also original? Now, what do you call originality? I will say the one from the Philippines is the original because that is the main extract soap. The one in Nigeria just got licensed to make the extract soap, which I don't know, because throughout my research, I didn't see anything tangible that the one in Nigeria is licensed to also produce here. But can I also tell you something? This both soap does the job. The one in Nigeria is going to do the job. The foreign one also is going to do the job. Now, what is the difference between these two extract soap? The one and the foreign doesn't have a high fragrance. So if you're someone that is sensitive, okay, you can use this foreign one because the fragrance is not as high as the Nigerian made one. And to some skin, okay, to so many skin, the Nigerian one work better for them than the foreign one, all right? Why to some other people, the foreign one work better than the Nigerian one. Now, for those that have a sensitive skin or for those that have a tender skin, you can make use of the foreign one. Do you know why? The foreign one is not designed for our skin type because it is made in the Philippines, all right? So how they made it is not for Nigeria kind of skin type. The one made in Nigeria is for our kind of skin. Of course, one made in Nigeria, the manufacturer knows the kind of skin that we have, okay? So it is designed for our kind of skin. Though the foreign ones still work for us over here. But if you know that your skin is not delicate, okay? You know that your skin is very hard. You can still try the Nigerian one or you can try out the foreign one. If the foreign one is not giving you what you want, you can try out the Nigeria one. That doesn't mean because it is from Nigeria, it is fake. It still does the job. I've heard a lot of people giving their reviews about this Nigerian one. Now, you can see it. That doesn't mean the Nigerian one is the fake or the foreign one is the fake. All right? So, when buying your extract, if you see the one without Arabic below the name extract, you should know that is the foreign one. And when you see the one having the Arabic, you should know that is the Nigerian one. You can try out any one. And it's going to brighten your skin. It's going to give you a good skin. It's going to help you with your blemishes. It's going to help you with your dark patches, with your sunburn. Now, I will always tell you, if you're using any soap for sunburn, don't just be well guaranteed that it's going to clear your sunburn. It won't just do the job alone, okay? You can still go for any other cream that clears dark spots or dark patches. If you've watched the video to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on your bell notification so when next we upload, you'll be notified that we've dropped another video. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you've tried out Extract Nigeria or Extract Foreign or what you think about this extract soap, which one works better for you. I will see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye.